Okay, here's a quick video to compare the two different designs we did. So this one is a radial bearing, 3D printed with steel balls. And this is an axial bearing, actual steel bearing. And this one has a retainer, and the original design does not have a retainer. So the reason for this is although this radial bearing is very smooth in the direction here, the problem is if you put any side load on the suspension, you can see that it literally attempts to pull the bearing out of the body. Whereas with the axial bearing, which is designed for side loads, it again is very smooth in this dimension, but when I attempt to move it in this direction, very, very little play. So this absolutely fixed the problem, and this is why you do iterative design, and why even though it looks good in the computer, when you put it into real life practice, you can see a tremendous difference in the way they operate.